Jain everyone, today I will talk about the complete information about the Merchant Navy. Basically, as you know that Doon Defence Academy has been preparing students for Merchant Navy apart from the defence courses. Especially in last IMU-CET exam on 8 June, a number of DDA Diamonds, DDA students got a good rank. Presently, they have been taking admissions in world-class shipping companies, sponsorship they have taken. Presently, they are taking admissions in IMU affiliated colleges, DG Shipping approved institution for Diploma Nautical Science course and BSc Nautical Science and BTech Marine. This is the platform where Doon Defence Academy has been preparing students for Merchant Navy by the help of marine experts, giving them the proper academic classes, and Doon Defence Academy has given number of selection last 19 years. Today, one of our students, PRIYANSHU with me, today visited Doon Defence Academy, and recently he has cleared the IMU-CET and got the company sponsorship with Damico Shipping Management Company, and he will be doing the Diploma Nautical Science course from IMI Delhi. So this is a proud feeling that all the students will also keep coming here, so sharing the experience so that other students can motivate for the bright career in Merchant Navy. And today, okay. Priyanshu, first of all, congratulations you for the selection in Damico Shipping for the IMI.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, can you share any experience here in Doon Defence Academy, how you have prepared for the IMU-CET and followed with the company sponsorship,
Sure,
and
sir.
all about yourself?
Yes, sir. So first of all, I have qualified my class 10th and 12th from Oasis Sainik School, which is in Rajasthan, Suratgarh. And sir, after that, I got to know about Doon Defence Academy, and students come here for preparation for IMU-CET and sponsorship exams. So when I enrolled here for my preparation for IMU-CET examination, I got to know many teachers. So the teachers here were very helpful and cooperative. They taught me many new things and many various tricks from which how can I solve my questions in IMU-CET examination. They taught us the time management and how to understand the questions well, and they were very helpful. And sir, Doon Defence Academy also provided me with many PDFs and online platforms from where I can study for my IMU-CET examination. And after that, they also helped me for my sponsorship examination and my interview preparation. In Doon Defence Academy, teachers are not only preparing us for a written examination, they are also preparing us for interview. Interview classes are held regularly for interview, and they also develop many qualities in us. And if I talk about facilities here, there are AC rooms as well as all-time electricity supply. There are smart board also from where we can study easily. And so the campus here is also very good, and as we all know that many top class shipping companies are also coming here for their seminar and recruitment of the students, like SIMS, that is Samudra Institute of Maritime Studies, and colleges are also coming here like IMI and many other colleges also. So in last, I would like to say that this is the best platform and best academy for IMU-CET as well as sponsorship examination.
Okay, gentlemen, all the best, because you are going to going for the DNS course. You'll be doing that in IMI Noida. Okay, basically some suggestion from my side. Basically, work hard there.
Yes,
as
sir.
I told you, all the academic classes which have been taught here in Doon Defence Academy, it will be very useful, because these the Diploma Nautical Science course totally based on your academic session, because you have to work hard. After 1 year of this Diploma Nautical Science, you have to go for that 18 months sea training.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Yes, sir.
Then there, you know, the complete practical training will find on board ship,
Yes, sir.
under the supervision of Chief Officer's Captain.
Yes, sir.
Okay? You smartly do your work there. And second thing, in your academic, just study hard. Especially you have been taught your physics, mathematics, or other English. All the subject will work there,
Yes, sir.
because you know you'll find that there are the subject in DNS course. There will be stability, cargo work, general navigations. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And hope you will be do well. And today, I'm telling you, if you work hard, if you will do the work hard, one day you will become a captain.
Yes,
All
sir.
the best for your bright
Thank you,
future
sir.
in Merchant Navy.
Thank you, sir.
All the best. Here, all the girls are also getting the opportunities. A number of girls have cleared the IMU-CET exam from Doon Defence Academy. Presently, so many girls already doing the DNS course, and some girls already joined in ships as a deck officers. Today, one of the DDA girls who have taken the training here for the NDA written examinations, SHAMA with me. Today he visited Doon Defence Academy, and she has been proceeding for the SIMS, Samudran Institute of Marine Studies, for DNS course, and she got the sponsorship in ESM after getting the good rank in IMU-CET. And today she will share the experience of his academic classes in Doon Defence Academy, how she got the opportunity to join the Merchant Navy. First of all, congratulations to you, Rita.
Thank you, sir.
And can you share some experience for the students?
My name is Shama, a student of DDA. I am here to continue my NDA coaching, but I am unable to qualify the medical because of my issue in my dental. That's why I am joining Merchant Navy. It was also a good opportunity for girls, and nowadays girls are not less than boys. Choosing Doon Defence Academy as a coaching center was the best decision of my life till yet, and I got a sponsorship in ESM. My institute is SIMS.
Okay, tell me that how you got this opportunity in Doon Defence Academy for the sponsorship in SIMS for the ESM?
So once there is a counseling, and you told us about SIMS and Merchant Navy and the opportunities for girls also. I am inspired by that, and that's why I joined choosing this.
Okay, good. It means that some campus recruitment drive has been conducted in Doon Defence Academy.
Yes, sir.
And you will benefited with
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay, beta, just do well. Basically, in Diploma Nautical Science, you have to work hard.
Yes,
And after that, after 1 year's course, you will go for the 18 months sea trainings.
Yes,
Do
sir.
well there. You got a good company. Okay, and our wishes with you to become a captain.
Yes,
You
sir.
know the one captain is there, the first captain lady,
Yes, sir.
Captain Radhika Menon.
Yes, sir.
She was the first lady captain.
She's just inspiring us too.
Correct. You got inspired?
Yes, sir.
Oh, correct. So now tomorrow you'll become forces.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
All the
For
best
sure.
and good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.